Are you over 60 trying to eat healthy, maybe even starting your day with eggs, but the number on the scale just isn't budging? Or worse, it's creeping up? You've probably heard that eggs are a great food for weight loss. But what if the way we're told to eat them is all wrong, especially for our bodies after 60? In this video, we're going to explore how eggs can be a powerful ally in losing stubborn pounds, or how they can accidentally get in the way. And I promise, the answer isn't what you think. For years, eggs have been a hot topic in nutrition. First they were bad, then they were good, then they were the perfect protein. And for the most part, they are an incredibly nutritious food. But when it comes to weight loss for those of us over 60, the story gets a bit more complicated. Our metabolism is changing, our bodies are more prone to fat storage, and we're often dealing with age-related muscle loss. In this new reality, just eating healthy isn't always enough. You need a smart strategy. The common advice to eat more eggs can backfire if you don't understand the new rules your body plays by. Today we're breaking it all down. We'll look at 3 science-backed ways eggs can genuinely support weight loss after 60. Then we'll uncover the 2 hidden truths, the ways eggs can secretly contribute to a wider waistline. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll have a clear, simple plan to make eggs work for you, not against you. The satiety secret: how eggs help control hunger. The first and maybe the most powerful way eggs can help you lose weight is through satiety. Satiety is that feeling of fullness that tells your brain, okay, you've had enough. This is a huge advantage when cravings and mindless snacking can easily throw off your day, a common challenge after 60. Eggs are filled with high-quality protein and healthy fats, a combo our bodies digest more slowly than simple carbohydrates. Think of it this way: a breakfast of sugary cereal or white toast is like kindling on a fire. You get a quick burst of energy, then a crash that leaves you hungry an hour later. An egg, however, is more like a slow-burning log, providing steady, sustained energy. And science backs this up. Studies have compared people eating egg-based breakfasts to those eating higher-carb breakfasts, like cereal or bagels. The results consistently show that the egg eaters feel more satisfied, are less hungry, and naturally eat fewer calories at their next meal. Imagine that. By simply starting your day with a protein-focused breakfast instead of a high-carb one, you could automatically reduce your daily calorie intake without feeling starved. Protein-rich breakfasts are known to have a positive effect on the hormones that control appetite, helping to lower the "I'm hungry" signals and increase the "I'm full" signals. For anyone over 60 trying to manage their weight, winning the hunger battle is half the war: the muscle and metabolism shield. Now, let's talk about something that is absolutely critical for anyone losing weight after 60: protecting your muscle. As we age, we all become vulnerable to sarcopenia, which is age-related muscle loss. If you lose weight by just cutting calories without focusing on protein, you can speed up this muscle loss. Why is that so important? Your muscle is your body's metabolic engine. It burns calories all day, every day, even when you're resting. The more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolism. When you lose muscle, your metabolism slows down, and your body gets better at storing extra calories as fat. This is where getting enough high-quality protein becomes your ally, and eggs are an excellent source. They provide complete protein, which contains all the essential amino acids that are the building blocks of muscle. Getting enough protein is vital to protect your muscle mass while you're in a calorie deficit to lose fat. While eggs are not uniquely superior to other proteins like lean meat, fish, or dairy, they are a convenient and effective option. Experts often recommend that older adults aim for a higher protein intake, around 1.0 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, to help preserve muscle. So when you include adequate protein in your weight loss plan, you're not just losing weight, you're losing the right kind of weight, fat, while protecting the muscle that keeps your metabolism fired up. The nutrient-dense powerhouse. The third reason eggs are so helpful is that they are packed with nutrients. When you're trying to lose weight, you're eating fewer calories, which means every calorie you eat really has to count. You can't afford to waste them on empty calorie foods that offer energy but little else. Older adults often need more of certain nutrients but fewer overall calories, and this is where eggs shine. A single large egg contains a wealth of important vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of vitamin B12, crucial for energy and nerve function, and contain vitamin D, which is vital for bone and immune health. Furthermore, eggs are one of the best dietary sources of a nutrient called choline, which is important for brain health and memory. Some research suggests a link between nutrients found in eggs like choline and lutein and better cognitive function in older adults. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect your eyes from age-related conditions. When you include eggs in your diet, you're not just getting protein to keep you full and protect your muscles. You're also fueling your brain, protecting your bones, and supporting your overall health. The truth nobody tells you. Part 1. The cooking catastrophe. Okay, we've covered the good news. Now it's time for the hard truth, the part people often overlook. The first secret way eggs can contribute to weight gain has nothing to do with the egg itself, but everything to do with how you cook it. You start your day with 2 eggs, feeling good about your choice. But were they fried in a tablespoon of butter? That's about 100 extra calories. Did you scramble them with a generous handful of cheese? That can add another 115 calories or more. Suddenly, your healthy 150-calorie egg breakfast has turned into a 300, 400, or even 500-calorie meal. You're eating the caloric equivalent of a big muffin while thinking you're being healthy. This is the cooking catastrophe. The egg becomes a vehicle for extra fats and calories. For weight loss, the cooking method is everything. Poaching, boiling, or scrambling in a non-stick pan with a little water or a quick spray of oil is the way to go. Frying in pools of butter and smothering them in cheese is a surefire way to sabotage your goals. The truth nobody tells you. Part 2. The company they keep. The second, and just as important, hidden truth is what you serve with your eggs. Ask someone what they eat with their eggs, and the answer is rarely a side of steamed spinach. It's usually bacon, sausage, buttered white toast, and hash browns. This is the mistake. It's not that adding eggs to your diet will automatically make you gain weight. Recent reviews suggest that moderate egg intake isn't clearly linked to obesity risk in healthy adults. The problem is when the eggs are just piled on top of an already unhealthy meal full of processed meats and refined carbs. That 2-egg breakfast, when paired with 2 strips of bacon, a piece of buttered toast, and a glass of juice, can easily climb over 700 calories. That could be nearly half of a day's target calories for weight loss, all before 9 a.m. The eggs aren't the villain here. The real culprits are the high-calorie, low-nutrient foods they're served with. The key to making eggs a weight loss tool is to use them as a swap, not an add-on. You swap the sugary cereal for the eggs. You swap the bagel for the eggs. You replace a low-protein, high-carb meal with a high-protein, nutrient-dense one. When you do that, you're setting yourself up for success. When you don't, you're just adding more calories to your plate. If this information is clearing things up for you, please take a second to hit that like button. It really helps the video get to more people who could use this advice. And be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos with health tips for thriving after 60. So do eggs help you lose weight after 60? The answer is yes, they absolutely can. But it depends. An egg isn't a magic wand, it's a tool. And like any tool, how you use it determines the result. When used correctly, cooked smartly, used as a replacement for less healthy foods, and paired with vegetables, eggs can be a fantastic part of your strategy for losing fat, keeping muscle, and controlling hunger. They can support your brain, eye, and overall health along the way. But if they're just added to an unhealthy plate, fried in grease, and served with processed foods, they'll just be part of the problem. Here is your simple takeaway. For the next week, if you eat eggs, make them the star of a truly healthy plate. Try 2 poached eggs over sautéed spinach, or a scramble filled with peppers and onions with a side of sliced avocado. Notice how full you feel. Notice your hunger levels later in the day. You have the knowledge now. You understand the truth. The power is in your hands to make your food work for you and help you build the strong, healthy body you deserve.